This is a how-to video about a method of getting the nylock nut started that holds the springs onto our seat mounting kits. Start off with a pencil with a good eraser and get that eraser stuck down into the top of the nut. Alright, then take the pencil and nut, pull it up into the spring, and slip your washer into place. Now, put it down over the stud. It shouldn't be too hard to get that nut started on there. There we go, started already. Okay, once you get started, you can pull your eraser out, get your wrench onto the nut, and continue to tighten it up. And that's all there is to it.